Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to animate your buttons for your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is we want to make sure that we're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. And once we're here on the dashboard, the idea is we want to get access to the site editor or the site builder. So there are a couple ways to do so. You can either click on the edit site button under quick links, or click on appearance and editor, or click on Elementor right off the bat on this setting right here, and it should take you to this page right here. So when we go to add a new widget or element to our website, we'd select button, for example, this one right here. And let's say that I want to drag it along the home page, so we can add it under our restaurant menu, for example. And let's change the text for this. So let's do buy now instead. Or we can just leave it as is. So if we want to add in an effect or an animation for it, we'd want to go to style, like so. Actually, no, not style. Let's go to advanced, and you'll see right away that there's an option for it that says motion effects. So when you guys click on this, you'll see that there's an option for entrance animations. So by default, this is set to obviously default, which is none. So if we want to do something like fade or zoom, we can do so by selecting it. So if we do fade in, actually let's do fade in down and pay attention to the button. There's the animation. Or we can do zoom. Let's do zoom from left. We can do that, but that one's a bit tacky, not gonna lie. There's also bounce. I guess the most basic one is fade in up. That's one. Fade in right. Will work too. And yeah, that's how you guys animate buttons on WordPress using Elementor. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.